Okay, so we're going to dissect a pigeon here. And just before we begin, a quick word about dissection. I'm a big fan of birds, and so it may seem strange to be dissecting a pigeon that was probably raised just for this purpose. And my goal in doing this is not that you'll come to see birds as expendable in any way, but instead that by learning about the bird's body, you'll have a deepened sense of wonder and connection to birds. So these common pigeons are by no means endangered, but a lot of other bird species are. And I think that the more people are inspired by birds, the more people, and that means you, may work to save them by conserving habitat, by keeping their cats indoors, working to slow climate change, all things that have a huge impact on birds. So let's start by looking at the bird as a whole and noticing some of the features we can see from the outside. So we've got feathers, of course, and they're saturated with preservative, which is not at all how they would normally be. And the feathers, of course, have grown from thickened regions of the skin called follicles. And those feathers are homologous to the scales that we see in other reptiles. In fact, you can still see the scales that are on the feet of this pigeon as they are on all birds. So the scales of non-avian reptiles and the hair or fur that we see in mammals all arise from similar structures in the skin, from similar gene expression, and so they are what we call homologous. So we also, on the outside of the pigeon, have the beak, and on the pigeon there's a little flap of a skin-type tissue called an operculum, which partially covers the nares. The nares is the nostrils, and that might help to keep out debris. So if we open the mouth, we'll see. Actually, I need to get another glove on, so I'm going to pause this, and we'll open the mouth in the next video.